Cycle is a good idea for saving the environment, and I think that all the people should do it.
Recycle for me is the perfect way to protect the environment. Recycle reduces raw material consumption and energy use.
Recycling is healthy for our planet, and I do it every day.
Recycling for me is reusing and making use of items that many people think that can't be used anymore, or helping nature in general because it's much healthier.
Cycle is a good deed for the environment, and yes, I recycle with my mother.
Recycling for me is something I do every day, and it is very important.
I try to protect the environment in many ways. I recycle the paper, the aluminium, the plastic. I try not to spend too much water and electricity. I also use my bike, or I go on short distances on foot instead of the car.
Of course I recycle because I want to make the environment better. If I don't recycle, the environment will get worse.
Yes, I do, because it's very important.
I recycle. I have different bins at home, and everywhere I go, if I know something recyclable, I keep it and throw it in a different bin.
Nature is really important for us because it's the earth, it's us, and we have to protect the nature.
Nature is really important to me because I can always just go there and sit and relax. And here in Finland, because we're in the woods, it's really nice and it's refreshing from the city.
This is a very important thing to me and everyone. It offers a sense of freedom and immediate well-being. It enables me to comfort my limits and my strengths. It stimulates the imagination and offers knowledge and new experience, especially in mountains. It helps me to escape from the pressures and anxieties of every day.
Nature is very important for me, like my home.
We should not throw trash in the street. We should use less the car and more the means of public transport, or even our feet or our bicycle. Use recyclable materials like paper. Do not consume electricity and wreck less. Use energy-saving lamps. Protect the forest and constantly create a new generally. We should not pollute the seas and the coasts. Do not fish rare species of fish. And we must all and young love our world and save our planet.
My contribution in order to protect the environment could be to volunteer, to collect the garbage in the sea, in the forests, and also another contribution everyone can offer is to take part in a program like Erasmus and learn about the environment, learn about many different things.
It's really nice, and I'm really glad I had this opportunity because I haven't had the chance up to this point to experience something like this, and I'm really glad I did.
This program was fantastic and useful for my life.
Educational and entertaining.
The program here is so nice. It gives opportunities to young people and everyone has to join to ErasmusPlus program.
This program is amazing. I learned a lot of things in this program.
I liked this program because it was very unique and I made new friends and I will never forget.
And the program here is interesting. We learn about a lot of things. And I think that a lot of people should come in a program like this.
I love Erasmus program!
Our city,
Our nature.
Our city, our nature!